In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill and color shapes in AutoCAD using the hatch tool for cleaner and more professional looking drawings. Start by opening the Home tab and locating the Draw panel where the hatch command is available. Click on Hatch to open the Hatch Creation tools, then choose the solid pattern if you want a fully filled color instead of a texture or line pattern. Next, click inside any closed shape you want to fill, and AutoCAD will instantly apply the hatch to that enclosed area. You can repeat this process for multiple objects throughout your drawing. Once the shapes are filled, select the hatch area to open the Hatch Editor tab at the top of the screen. In the Properties section, choose a new color from the Color drop-down menu to customize the appearance of the fill. You can experiment with different colors and hatch patterns to improve visual clarity and make important parts of the drawing stand out. Using hatch fills effectively can make your designs more organized, readable, and visually appealing. Thanks for watching and happy drafting with AutoCAD.